Hi everyone, my name's Lindsay and I am a recent graduate of the SEO Recipe for Success course. So I joined the course because we have a double glazed window business. I developed the website and obviously nothing was happening. We got no leads, no traffic to the website. So then I started looking at SEO, stumbled across Kate's SEO Nibbles course, which I did. Then I did the 10-day challenge and then I just needed that extra bit of information. So I joined the big course. And oh my god, the information in there is insane. The level of accountability as well, which I was quite surprised about. So we had weekly calls where Kate would come on, answer any questions, and then we did what was called an implementation session, which helped us get stuff done in the time that we were given. The course material is really easy to follow, short videos, loads of demos as well, which you could watch demos for ages in there. I found the demos really good because it just gives you that extra bit of confidence when you come to do your site. For the price I paid for the training, it's just incredible. And now, because I initially started looking at SEO for our window business, but now I have enough knowledge to actually help other people with their SEO. So I'm in the beginning stages of actually setting up as an SEO consultant myself, all off the back of Kate's SEO course. So if you're thinking about joining and you're a little bit unsure and on the fence, it's an amazing course. I got so much value from it. I've then gone on to join the Digital Marketing Collective. So I'm still in Kate's world and I'm getting so much value for that as well. So yeah, if you're thinking about it, join. The price is just incredible for what you get. Kate's really active in there and she answers a lot of questions in our Facebook group as well. So yeah, I highly recommend the Recipe for SEO Success course and good luck with your SEO.